You may be wondering, when can I return back to my chiropractor after having a spinal surgery? And I'd like to answer that question. Many of our patients have healthy and good relationships with chiropractors in the community, and patients around the country have relationships with chiropractors that they trust, and they have had good results from care with. And they wonder, after having spinal surgery, when they can return back to their chiropractor. The first thing I would say is, I think it would be appropriate to follow up with your chiropractor soon after surgery. Your chiropractor can be involved in your postoperative care, and in my practice, I welcome that. I think that's a good and positive thing. Your chiropractor may be able to help you through the perioperative process. As far as treatment goes, the chiropractors generally do two different types of manipulation of the spine. One is an instrumented manipulation, and the other is a chiropractic adjustment, which is a hands-on adjustment of the spine. The instrumented manipulations are generally very gentle, and I think could be done soon after surgery, especially if they are to areas not immediately associated with the surgical site. And it's probably a good thing for the instrumented adjustments to be done to keep other segments of the spine moving and working appropriately. In the postoperative period, we want our patients to incrementally increase their activity until they're back to full activity. And in the case of putting in hardware, we check the hardware at periodic intervals in the postoperative period up to about a year. For a full chiropractic adjustment, I would say that it is appropriate to do once you are cleared for all activity and there's no problems with the hardware. And I think that's a good rule of thumb as you work with your chiropractor in determining when it is appropriate to do a full chiropractic adjustment. We work very closely with several chiropractors in our community, and I think that they are an important part of spinal care generally in the United States and around the world. And I don't think that patients should be afraid to re-engage with their chiropractors after spinal surgery.